Okay, we're just doing a test on the LG here. It's plugged in, it's getting power. LED's on there at the bottom right. Um, Comes on, shuts off right away. So this is the issue with this thing. It won't stay on. So just gonna test it here. So you hear that sound, it clicks on, flashes there, a little audio, it shuts off, then it turns back on again. See a little flash again. Then we get audio. Now I got to work at it. I don't know what I have to do to fix it, but this is the first modern set that I'm going to work on. I have a whole line of CRTs in the corner there, but this is the first modern one I'm going to look at. Of course, I'm going to look it up, research it, and see what goes on. It does flash, so I think, as far as the backlight and like the screen is working, audio working, obviously. So I think there's obviously some sort of reset, not a watchdog, but a safety in it where something's telling it to shut off. There's some sort of fault. So let's tie into it and wish me luck. All right, gang, let's do it. Oh, it looks a little overwhelming. Okay, I'm just continuing to inspect the board here. Newsflash, just a plasma. So the info I got was not relatable to this plasma TV. So I was doing some more research. There's a lot more to it than the LCD. So I'm doing a little bit of repair here, testing I should say, and I was testing this board and it works out right. I was just putting it back and then I noticed something obvious. Look at the damage to this board. Holy crap. So in the move across the country, this got damaged. So that that is obvious. So I'll be taking that apart, see if I can get it fixed or replaced. That's actually a good sign, something obvious to look at. So, okay. All right. I don't know how this got smashed inside the TV, inside the bubble wrap, inside cardboard, inside some shrink wrap. That thing definitely got jarred. Don't think I can repair that. I'm gonna have to replace it. Pretty crazy repair. Do some more evaluation and put an order in. Okay, yeah, further look, there's no way to repair this. This is totally falling apart. There's internal cracks right through here. It's pretty significant. So, right through here. Oh yeah, definitely have to order that in. Part number for these LGs are right here on this barcode. So I'm gonna check that out. double checking. Work here. Doesn't work. Blow up. Well, I guess it doesn't matter, does it? Okay. Let's test it out. Okay, eyes on it. See if she's gonna blow up or not. Stand back a little bit. Okay. Standby light is on. Okay, we'll turn it on. I don't know if we have a picture. Oh, we do have a picture. Oh, it's face down. Snowy picture. Okay. Now stand it back up, unplug it. Okay, I got it hooked up to my laptop. Okay, it goes on standby. Red light. Searching for a source. Aha, there we go. It works. That's amazing. So it's just a grounding rail I had to solder back up since that board was busted. And one bodge wire to connect. So that was very good. Hey gang, thanks for tuning in. That was a quick little video. Just repair this plasma. Thanks for watching. We will see you soon. Alright, out.